Alright, so I got some cleanup work to do. They had somebody make up this terminal can, but as you can see, it looks like crap. So let's see the results after. Alright, so here's my progress so far. Cleaned it up, made the cables a little tighter, and yeah, I'm not even done, and it's looking a little better. So you'll see finished product in a few. Alright guys, there you have it. That was a quick little cleanup job. The way it was left previously was pretty horrible. Yeah, just take your time, put a little thought into it, don't get too crazy, and this isn't even that perfect in my opinion, but I think it looks great. Everything's pretty matched up, lined up right, nice and purty. Just gotta throw some labels on there, but yeah, there you go.